Hi, my name is Makeup by XO Becca. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to do eyeliner for beginners. I'm going to show you 4 different types of eyeliner. So first I'm going to show you just basic tips and tricks on how to do just a normal wing. For the second look, I'm going to show you how to do a really long, glamorous, insta-baddie type wing. For the third look, I'm going to be showing you how to do a smoky wing liner. And for the fourth, I'm going to be showing you how to do white liner for fun. I have been blown away by the love and support I have seen from you guys in my first video. As of recording this video, it is the Saturday that I'm going to be posting my second video. It's actually going to be going up in about an hour. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys think of that video. If you want to see how to create this eyeliner and all of those other eyeliners I mentioned before, then just keep on watching. Tip number 1. This will be just basic eyeliner tips. So I'm going to be using NYX, NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is black. So first you want to line your eye. Ignore my mirror. When I do eyeliner, I have to look really close in the mirror, so it's going to be in shot. So first you just want to line your eye. Make sure you go into the inner corner, and how thick you do this will depend on how thick you want your eyeliner. It's gonna be hard to stay in shot this video, so sorry about that. Also, see my kitty right there? She's giving herself a bath apparently because she's just got to be in shot for that. Her name is Ophelia. So line the eye. Just carefully try and make sure it's as straight as you can get it. Alright, so you lined your eye. Now it's time for the actual wing itself. So you just carefully take your eyeliner and draw the line of your wing, just like that. And then you draw a line from the tip of it back over to kind of plan out your wing. Like that. Let me zoom in a little bit. See how I do that? And then I'm just going to fill in that little gap right there. And just try to make the line right there as smooth as you can. And then you're done. That's it. It's that easy. I went ahead and took that liner off and reconcealed my eye. And this time we are going to do a long, glamorous, Instagram baddie wing. And I'm going to be using the same NYX liner. And I'm going to, again, start off by lining the top of my eye. Line to the top of my eye. Now as for the wing. And this time, since it's going to be super long and glamorous, you're going to wing it out pretty far. Actually, I'm going to change the direction a little bit. I zoomed it in a little bit because I wanted to show you. I originally lined it really far up, but I want it to go out. Alright, and an easy way to fix that is just take a makeup wipe and just erase that one that I didn't like the direction it was going. Just like that. And then I have a little bit of concealer left on my sponge, and I'm just gonna fix that a little bit. And it's like it never happened. So I'm gonna try that again, going out instead of up, because I want it to be longer and more voluminous, and just like that. And now, just like before, we're gonna take the top and line it and make that shape. And also, remember to take your time. Take your time, especially when you're just learning how to do eyeliner, because it's really easy to mess up like I just did and ruin it. Although sometimes you're able to fix it like I did because I'm not wearing any eyeshadow. But I have had so many times that I tried to do my eyeliner and completely ruined my whole eye look. So just take your time. And then just like before, fill it in. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in a little bit. So see how it's really long and thick. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so we can do the next eyeliner. All right, for the next one, we're gonna be doing a smoky liner. And I'm gonna be going into eyeshadow for this one. This is the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. And first, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is called Riff. And I'm just gonna do a really light eyeshadow look to make it look better. I'm gonna take that Riff on this Morphe M441 brush. I'm gonna take Riff and blend it out on my eye. And just for fun, I'm gonna take a little bit of Baja. Wait, I'm gonna take a little bit of Baja right here, just to add a little bit of warmth. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of Breakaway right here, just to pop on my lid. All right. The point of this video is not for eyeshadow, it's for eyeliner. I'm gonna take this angled brush right here. And I'm gonna take the shade Punk, this rich brown shade. And I'm gonna do like I did before and start by lining my eyes. The point of this eyeliner is to be lighter, more smoked out, and natural, instead of being a really harsh black wing. All right, and I'm gonna take that shade again and make a little bit of a wing right here. Just like that. There's some dude being real loud outside and it's getting on my nerve. All right, so take this e.l.f. Defining Eye Brush and just a little bit more of that shade, that same Punk shade, and you're just gonna buff out that liner a little bit, blend it out. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm just buffing out that liner, the edge, so it's smoky and not as harsh. Can you see that? Can you see the difference after I blended it out a little bit? And I have just one more eyeliner to show you, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off one more time and show you the last one. For my very last eyeliner tip slash design, I'm going to be showing you a more fun twist to what I showed you before. And this time we'll be using a white eyeliner instead of black. So again, it's NYX, but this one is the Epic Wear in white, obviously. And you probably know the drill by now, but in case you don't, I will show you guys one more time. So you line the top, wing it out, and fill it in. And just like that, you have a fun, different liner look. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, lashes, and my face, and I will be right back. Thank you so much for watching my eyeliner for beginners tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you found it helpful. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell button down below to make sure that you get notified every time I post a video. Be sure to check out my Instagram. It's Makeup by Becca. And let me know what video you would like to see next. Oh, wow, I did this whole time without my braids out. That's so sad. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.